Saxon Math for 6th grade. Today we're working on lesson 58, symmetry. Make sure that you're including these topics in your table of contents so you'll be able to find them again later. We'll be learning about both symmetry and about functions in today's lesson. Here we go. A line of symmetry, as you know and as you've had before, cuts a shape into two equal halves. So for example, here's a triangle, there's a line of symmetry. If I was to take this half and fold it over, it would perfectly match that half. Same thing with my rectangle. If I was to take the top of the rectangle and fold it down, it would perfectly match. Notice sometimes lines of symmetry go through the points, sometimes they go through the sides. A regular triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Here's our regular triangle. There's one line here, that's my blue line. One line of symmetry would be here, that's the red. And one line of symmetry would be there, that's the green. A regular square, all squares are of course regular, has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just if you hadn't already remembered, regular means that all sides are equal in length. You'll need that information today, as well as information about a function, which I wrote incorrectly here, so let's make sure that we have it spelled correctly. Function, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. A function is an operation done to another number. You'll see these a lot in higher math classes. X is a function of y. The function means that we're going to do an operation to the first number to get a second number. In the lower grades, you heard this called a rule. Here's 2 charts, they're in and out charts. In the middle is where we perform the function. So here is our rule, or our function. This is a times 2 chart. That's not an X, it's a times 2. So if I put in 3, and what I'm going to do to it is times 2, what will be my output? So I start with 3, I do times 2. My output then is 6. Let's try it again. I've got 4 that I put in, and it's a times 2 function. 4 times 2, my output is 8. You should be able to finish the last one. 5 times 2 is 10. Here's another function. This one is a plus 3 function. So I'm going to start with 3. Plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. I'm already on to the answer. And 5 plus 3, my output would be 8. You'll see both functions and lines of symmetry in your work today.